Okay, give me a safety rule.
Never let your muzzle cross anything you are not willing to destroy.
Okay. Okay.
Be aware of what your target is and what is beyond it. Don't let your finger on the trigger unless you have your eye on the target and you've made the decision to shoot.
Your
Sights are on this target.
and you made the decision to shoot. Okay, and the last safety rule is?
Always treat all guns as if they're always loaded.
Good job.